Louis V's on my waist, this a money race. I be at the top, chillin' up in outer space. Snatch they bitch, got her tied up like a lace, yeah.
What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Yeezy 500 Desert Rat in the blush colorway. Before I get into the review and the on-feet shots at the end, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. I appreciate each and every one of you that shows love on my content. Also give my Instagram a follow as well. You know I always come with the fire quality pics every time. So if you want to see more detailed shots, go ahead and give it a follow. Thank you, and let's get on with the review, guys. Starting with the box, it is your standard Yeezy 350 V2 box, except it says 500 now instead of 350. For the front of the box, it does say Yeezy 500, made by Adidas, with a little Adidas logo on the bottom. And I did get a size 10, which is a UK 9.5. Style code is DB2908 in the triple blush colorway. And of course I did cop this off a Yeezy supply back in February with the pre-order, so that's why it has the fulfillment warehouse barcode to the top left. Lastly, the box comes with that light brown Yeezy tissue paper that all the Yeezys come with. The Yeezy 500 comes with a mixture of suede and a little bit of mesh on the upper. The heel counter has mesh, some kind of leather, and suede on the bottom right here. The tongue is made out of mesh with a mixture of leather, and it is like a figure 8 type of figure on the tongue for the lacing system, which is kind of weird, but it worked out. There's also suede on the eyelets here of the laces. The toe box comes with this nice quality suede. Adidas branding on the toe box as well. Moving on to the midsole, there is a rubber mudguard that goes all the way from the heel part of the shoe to the toe box. There's a little bit of pan of it. Now this Yeezy does not come with boost technology. It comes with something called Adidas, as you can see on the midsole right here. Now the midsole does remind me of the Crazy 8 Adidas shoe. The outsole has a non-marking rubber outsole, also in the blush colorway. Lastly, here's the insole that the shoe comes with. It is Ortholite with a Yeezy and Adidas logo. And here's the bottom of the insole. It's very thin, by the way. Now for the Yeezy 500s, I suggest everybody go true to size. If you're a 10, cop a 10, because I'm usually a 10 in all my Yeezys, and it fits perfect for me. Now if you have a wider feet, go ahead and give it a half a size up and see how your toes feel, and it should fit perfect for you. Now I know everybody is sleeping on this shoe because it has no boost, or it's a dad shoe, or it's ugly, you know, but like, I like that it's different. And I really think that this model can shine if Kanye keeps it up with the neutral colors, because with this you can just throw it on with some denim, some black jeans or whatever, and it'll match. Like, it's not no McChicken color. Like, that was hideous. Like, the McChicken color is hideous. Like, I cannot understand why he did that, and I will probably never know why, but please just stick with the neutral colors, Kanye, because I like this. Neutral colors are great. Now that's it for the shoe review, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you think about the Yeezy 500s, whether it's a positive or a negative. I really don't care. Just let me know in the comments below, because if I like it, I'm gonna cop it and I'm gonna wear it. Also, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you so much for viewing my shoe review, and here's some on-feet shots.